Hi, this is Joann Abrahamsen. My virtual presentation for the 2021 convention is Hypnosis Tips, Tricks, and Techniques. The presentation is designed to show you how to incorporate demonstration techniques and interactive processes into your pre-talks and lecture demonstrations to make them informative and fun. The goal of my presentation is to show why we need to use effective lecture demonstration techniques to engage your audiences and clients. You will learn some interactive exercises to do with your audience or clients that will engage their imagination, and we will conclude with a group demonstration of a non-content induction to resolve an issue you may be having. The presentation is best for people who want to captivate their audience or clients and be remembered as an effective speaker. I look forward to sharing my presentation with you.